Hello, this is IRIS Global VS Code Editor. It's an extension for VS Code to edit globals from IRIS, from InterSystems IRIS. Install this extension and you see Explorer with a list of globals in a configured namespace. You configure here in settings JSON, the configuration connections, and your Explorer lists your globals. You can list globals, add new globals, enter, refresh to see new globals, refreshing, okay, ZZZ, hi. You can delete globals and refresh, ZZZ not appear anymore, and you can filter tests, enter, and the globals with text contents will are here, okay, and you one filter, blank field, enter, you see all globals again, and you can edit the global content using YAML. So you click editor, a YAML file was created to you, and you can add subscript content. InterSystems 2020 and click save to a file, any file. Save, enter, and your global was saved. You can check here, open management, globals, tests, and you see